Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to the Hot Rod Workshop. It's 5:30 in the morning and we're heading to the Jalopy Showdown.
Yeah.
All right, just made it back from Jalopy Showdown. Made it 2.5 hours there, raced, and 2.5 hours back, and the car didn't blow up. Was having minor issues near the end of the race. Was kind of stumbling a little bit, falling on his face in the straights. I think I'm just pushing too much fuel in the engine, so I'm going to jet back the secondaries just a tad. Now, Jalopy Showdown is by far my favorite event to attend. There's a lot of diversity amongst the cars, both in the car show aspect and the racing aspect. Unfortunately, usually when I run a car there, I don't really have too much time to go check out the show cars. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Larry and Kim Garland and all the volunteers that put this show together. It's a huge feat every single time that they put this together, and you'll hear the same reaction from every driver, from every show car participant. And all the proceeds from Jalopy Showdown go to the Eastern Museum of Motor Racing. It's a fantastic museum about local racing in the area. If you're interested in any news or any events coming up, take a look at their website. They're also on Facebook. So once again, thank you for everybody that puts on the event. Thank you for everyone that attends the event, races a car, shows a car. And of course, thank you for watching.